In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how my AI assistant I created from scratch is able to interact with leads as soon as they come inside from your paid advertising, if you want to use it for paid advertising. But it can be used for multiple things, like if you already have a list of clients you used to interact with in the past. I'll use example in the real estate niche. If you have prospect that came in through your pipeline, but then they turn out to be cold, or they said, oh, I'm not interested in selling my house now, maybe 6 to 12 months later, you can actually use the AI to reach out to them back and see if now they qualified and everything, all on your behalf, saving your precious time. You don't have to do manual outreach one by one. You can just input the list, then turn on the trigger, and the AI will DM all of them and see if they're actually a good fit now. However, if you're not familiar with this, I can give you a quick breakdown how the full system works. So now we're inside Mate.com. I'll give you the example of if we're using it for paid advertising, which is why I strongly advise. At the same time, you can use it for leads that you already have. So when somebody fills up the lead form on Facebook because they're interested on, let's say, for example, selling their house, their information will be captured and sent into Go High Level. Then Go High Level will send a webhook into Mate.com. And the webhook is just a way to connect two different softwares with information. So name, surname, address, email, everything will be transmitted to Mate.com. Then the second part is here we have our AI assistant. I can show you the prompt that it has. So that's the highly customizable section where you can tailor it depending to the type of services you're providing. In this case, I tailored it for real estate investors that are looking for off-market deals. And the AI assistant job is to further qualify the leads that come in by asking further questions. For example, the reason for selling the house, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, location, are there any repairs? And once he analyzes all the information that come back from the lead, it will send it back to Go High Level and the response will be submitted to the lead. Now I'll show you a concrete example. So this is currently me. I texted already, hi, I'm interested in selling my house. I did it this way, so I'm the one that will be texting the AI first, just to show you how it's going to be. But normally, it's the AI that's going to start the interaction by saying, thank you for submitting the lead form. This is so-and-so from company so-and-so. Would you mind if we ask you further qualifying question to see if you're actually a good fit for that offer, like cash offer? Then as soon as they say, yeah, the trigger will start. So now the AI is asking me, hi there, could you please tell me where the property is located? I'll say Dallas, Texas, for example. I just sent it. And now it should just come up in 2 seconds. Here it is, Dallas, Texas. Now I'm not doing anything. Boom. The response came up. And now here it is. Thanks for sharing. How many bedrooms and bathrooms does the property have? 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Sent. So the interaction is going to be like this, just a back and forth, back and forth. The best thing, even if they stop replying now and they come back the next day or the following day or the following week reply, the system has everything memorized. So it's not going to start again from, or hi, how many bedroom and bathroom, while they already replied to that question. You're just going to remember where the lead stopped replying and keep on going forward after that. So thank you. Has the property been listed before? No. The advantages of using a system like this is you can run through huge numbers of data all on autopilot on your behalf. All you got to do is just turn on the trigger and don't do anything. Sit down, relax. Everything's going to be done on autopilot for you. Hi, are there any repairs or updates? So the best thing, like now you can see the type of question he's asking me. So these are the questions they are input into the prompt. So here it is. Could you please share where the property is located? How many bedrooms and bathrooms the property has? So in this case, I made the prompt to specifically ask this type of questions. However, if you look to use like a system like this for customer service or different, whatever task you need to do, you can like leave it a little bit of autonomy to think outside the box, or you can feed it a lot of information regarding your business. So if I wanted to use it for customer service, I could just feed it every type of information related to my business, the type of services I offer, the type of client I serve, my pricing, my calendar link and everything. And whenever somebody asks any type of question, you're just gonna gather through the data and reply. Now let's go back. Thank you for the sharing. Here he is. No. Okay, see, are there any repairs or update needed for the property? No, the property is in good condition. Actually, let me say bad condition. Yes, the property is in bad condition. So for example, if you're an investor looking for distressed properties to, buy them at discount, maybe flip it, just fix and flip, or sell them at wholesale, you can use a system like this. Gather all the information you need. Then as soon as they complete the workflow, you receive an internal notification saying, hi, John, so and so completed the workflow. So here the information about where the property is located, are there any repairs to be done? And you can have everything just summarized on a text message, everything on autopilot. So they'll go from paid advertising to filling out form to going inside the workflow, and then you'll get everything summarized, boom, in 1 second. Then you can just make a decision, be like, you know what, this sounds like a good deal, or this is a bad deal. You ain't gotta do everything by yourself. You just sit down, relax. Understand what's the ideal time frame for selling the property ASAP. As you can see, it's just going back and forth, back and forth. I can stop replying now and apply in the next week, and it's just gonna keep on going with the questions. So here we are. This is a simple breakdown of how the AI actually works live. Or as you can see, I'm not doing anything. Everything is just coming up automatically. So this is how the interaction is going to go with leads. Now, in this case, I set it up for SMS, but you can do it either for SMS or through social media platforms. Like it could be do directly for Facebook Messenger or Instagram or DMs, or if you have a widget inside the website. So thank you very much for looking at this video. If you're interested in this system, let me know. You can just find a contact down below.